Okay, you guys, so I got the viral, multifunction electric cleaning brush. Finally, I was debating on getting it, but I finally got it. So I charged the head last night. Yes. So it comes like this. Okay. So let me show you. Let me turn you. Yeah, so it comes like this, and this is the extender. I'm pretty sure it's, and this is the head. Goes in here. Okay. Okay. All right. So you can pull this, extend it, and lock it, and do whatever. It's pretty long, So it's pretty long. Okay. So let's see. It comes with these brushes. This one, that one, this one. This thing keeps moving. I don't know why. Let's. Okay. So, and then it comes with a charger, and then it comes with all of this pads and all of that stuff. It comes with this that I already have in my bathroom. So I want to try this brush. Oh, probably this one. Why does this thing keep moving? Yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna use either this one or this one here. So I think I want to use this one because of the way it's pointed. So yeah, it comes with this black thing, manual. So all you have to do is to attach this thing to the head. I'm pretty sure. And now let me clean my bathroom. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit, not much. Okay, all right. Gonna take my soap. So you guys, I'm going to clean my bathroom because I don't want you to see me cleaning my bathroom. I'm going to clean my bathroom and I'm going to show you what I think about it. Yeah, so, okay. All right, I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my cleaning. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to see. You don't need to see much. Okay, so it did work, but as a human being, I still have to go and do my own cleaning. I didn't just depend on AI, because this is AI, okay? So it did work. Really, really nice. And I'm coming to use it on my toilet as well, like on the side of the bidet. So yeah, I like it a lot. But like I said, you still have to go in as a human being. But if you depend on this 100%, that's on you. But You know, as a human being, I'm not going to depend on this 100%. I would say 70%, and the 30% you still got to go ahead and do your do, you know. But it definitely will help your back and stuff like that, you know, by, you know, doing this. It helps your back, you know, and stuff like that. Areas that you need help with, and, you know, stuff like that. So, yeah, areas that you need to, you know, reach that I know basically it's hard for me to reach. I can just use this and help with my, you know, stuff like that. So, yeah, definitely would give this an 8 out of 10. It's really nice. So, I'm coming to clean the side of my, what's her name? You know, sometimes you can't get to, but they have different brushes. And I advise you, like, when you're done with this, get a bucket, like the ones you, not your washing bucket, but extra bucket that you clean your floor with, and just put these in there and put bleach and pine sol, and just let it sit before rinsing them out. Let it sit for maybe like 10-15 minutes. Clean them and just leave it outside to air out. But yeah, it's real nice. And I'm pretty sure you can do multiple things with this. And I know a lot of us can take this off and put something else on here and do multiple things with it. And, you know, but I will be watching other videos to see what other people comes up with and stuff like that. But for now, yeah, like it. Like I said, it extends a whole lot. Yeah, so, you know, so if you want it higher, you can get it higher and stuff. So it's really good. You can lock it, unlock it. It's good. Okay, that's my review. Bye. And if I didn't say it, this was $20 and free shipping. So yeah, it's not bad. We spent $20 on other things, so why not use this, invest it in one of your cleaning products. Bye. See you.